If your reason for going into business is to solve your financial problems, I think that's a wrong reason. It will just bring you more problems. Just like me, nung nag-umpisa akong mag-freelancer, after 9 months, naubos ang pera ko. And I had to sell my car. 1,500 pesos na lang yung natira sa bank account ko. And I told my wife, don't pay the apartment rental yet because we don't have money anymore. So na-realize ko, I was not ready to go on my own. I was better off being employed. It's good na nakabalik ako sa employment. Si Lord na nag-open ng door sa akin para makabalik ako. And I survived. In fact, I was given a brand new car by my new employer. Until after 3 years, I went back to self-employment. At that time, I was already ready for it. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to serve customers. Dahil nagkaroon ng economic crisis during that time. And they needed my services. The small and medium enterprises needed my services for them to access cheaper loans. So, dun kinangailangan yung service ko. Learning a lesson from that, you go into business because you have something to offer na kinakailangan ng customer. It's not the other way around where you need something from your customer. So you go into business because you need the money of your customer. That's a wrong way of going into business.